Good morning, guys. You don't know it's a girl belly because my face I get crack up. Skylife in the building. Yo! How I do them? Now, guys, this morning I have on my clay mask. May I go comb my ear after? But me I do that clear up my ear. Today on the agenda, I am going to. Everybody gonna work. Me alone there, you know. Need some come home though. I'm gonna go to the park. Yesterday I tried to go to the park, but I got lost on my own. GPS didn't work for my phone. So I'm gonna go to park today, and I'm gonna go to Main Street, and I'm also gonna go to New York today. So I like 7 o'clock now over here. No, I like in Jamaica. 8 o'clock now down there. I don't know why I wake up so early, being and everything. But I'm gonna go comb my ear and get back with y'all later on today. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have on the MELICASKYLIFE. Let me show you them up on. Dun 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 dun. MELICASKYLIFE clear proof. Yeah, I'm trying it. My auntie say it work good for my face. Clear up the spot the mask. Deep condition clay mask. Yeah. I have a minty thing about it, really nice. See it here again. MELICASKYLIFE. So yeah, I go finish drying my face, do some meditation in the morning now, and get back with y'all later on today. Okay, guys, I'm going on the road now. Where did I say I was going? Going to Main Street, and I'm going to the park. So that's what I'm currently doing. No. And so I have a slight headache. I wonder if what is cold. Because I have on a dress now. This is like my favorite dress of all time. Looks like rain and fall out of it. Out here kind of feel chilly, you know. So guys, I'm heading to the places that I said I was going to. I'll check back in with you guys. Me notice me at low for a day. Never slight headache, that's why. I'll check back in with you guys when I can. I'm gonna use my phone to try and find where I go as much as possible and stuff. Alright, later. One thing I like with New Jersey, like you get a more of a home feeling because you see a lot more black people. You know, people that on the road that chill. Where I normally go, you don't normally see that. Just white people and they stay in their house and they don't really talk up to people. But you're saying in New Jersey, pure black people. Wait, me a drop. Pure black people. Me a walk up and down like say, me a resident. If I watch your road, you know, because if you get licked down, same thing when I up and cross. Yeah, so me go check for me. I'll check if I miss a turn based off how me I go. So I just checked in to tell you that. I did a little detour. Stop by the grave. You don't want to see a bag already. So I'm going to devour this and then be on my way. Yes, belly full in my place. No, sir. I'm gonna do a little detour. I'm going to Farms Mill right now. I'm gonna see what they have. Even though I say it's going to just Main Street, down the road, I'm missing Main Street there. And the park. Detour to my thing. But my belly full, I feel like I'm going to sleep. And I tell no lie. Tired. Food tired me out. $4 for wipe things just now. I'm gonna drink soda. It's so bad of me, but I'll get over it. So I'm going in the store now. So guys, I'm now better go at the park. And I'm now better go down the main street. I go back to the house because I'm kind of feeling tired. I've been in that store that I was in for a very long time. And I'm going to go back home and lay down. I'm tired. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm buy some stuff. That's what I'm doing now. Heading back to the house. Okay guys, I just come back off the road. My lost my GPS, my phone dead, and it was so crazy. So it took me a good little while to come home and last, so it's a big calories me just done burn up and sit. So I just reach back home, so I go and chillax. I'm not sure. Today was Monday, today is Tuesday, maybe I go to New York today. And stuff. So that's what I'm doing now.